Oh, Namaste. Welcome everybody to Satsang today. This nothingness, and the sense of yourself, is it different? You and nothing. Nothing is nothing. Is there a you experiencing nothing? Can you find yourself in this nothing? What are you?